Welcome to our detailed comparison of two popular B550 motherboards, the ASUS Prime B550 Plus and the MSI B550 Gaming Gen 3. Both motherboards are designed for AMD Ryzen processors and offer great value for PC builders. In this video, we'll explore their features, performance, and aesthetics to help you decide which one is right for your build. The ASUS Prime B550 Plus supports PCIe 4.0, providing faster data transfer rates and better performance for high-end graphics cards. In contrast, the MSI B550 Gaming Gen 3 only supports PCIe 3.0, which may limit future upgrade options. For gamers and PC builders looking for longevity in their builds, the PCIe version can be a crucial factor. The ASUS Prime B550 Plus comes packed with features including robust cooling solutions, multiple USB ports, and support for advanced connectivity options. On the other hand, the MSI B550 Gaming Gen 3, while still a solid choice, lacks some of the advanced features found in the ASUS board, making it less appealing for users who want a fully loaded motherboard. In terms of aesthetics, the ASUS Prime B550 Plus features a sleek and professional design, appealing to users who prefer a clean look. Meanwhile, the MSI B550 Gaming Gen 3 sports a more aggressive, gamer-centric design that may attract those looking to build a gaming rig. The choice between these designs ultimately depends on personal preference. In conclusion, both the ASUS Prime B550 Plus and MSI B550 Gaming Gen 3 motherboards have their strengths and weaknesses. The ASUS board offers superior features and future-proofing with PCIe 4.0 support, while the MSI board provides a solid option for budget-conscious gamers. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.